It had been out. There was no water.
Pull back a little bit so you get a picture. Go forward. Go forward. Go forward. Go forward. Go forward. Right there.
So you say the yellow?
That's what's good.
Think that's going to be a big job? Maybe?
Could be. Could be. I don't see how we would run any bigger of a cable down a 2-inch line than what we got right now.
But is this still inside the pipe?
Yes.
All of this?
Yes. I would say run some water, but we can't run some water because it's just come out that hole that we're in.
I think Miguel told those people upstairs not to use their water or something.
Yeah, that's what she was asking me, that lady upstairs said, did you find out if it was our problem or not?
Or she asked you?
Yeah.
Hey, you gotta turn it on first, dude.
I thought you had it on already for me.
The manager was telling me that they have this problem. She's worked in different apartments. That a lot of the first floor apartments, they're always calling and saying, you know, and she thinks it's because they're using their disposal and not letting it go down.
That's always the case.
But I hardly ever use mine. I don't run my washing machine. I should. Somebody told me I need to do it.
Every now and then, it's good just to
Let it go through.
let it go.
But the water was collecting on the bottom.
Yo. Hey, you pull back 4 feet. Let me locate it. All right. Sir? Yeah. Yeah, it's like at 8.3 now. Okay? I'm moving. Okay. You ready? I'm almost there. Oh, is it?
Yeah.
I'm right there.
Look. We're right on the other side.
What's on the other side?
I wonder if that's her kitchen.
Oh, it goes that way. Get it there, bro. I am. No? No, leave that there until Miguel gets here. Just start putting everything else in the buckets,
machine.
Shooting machine, and all that.
Okay.
Hey Miguel, you coming? Are you coming to the apartments? Oh, man, we're gonna be done by then. If you need another 20 minutes.
What about do you run the camera?
Yeah, we run the camera. Yeah, I got some video, but the location is in the other apartment.
Okay.
Yeah. We have to look at it.
Okay, for now, okay.
Yeah, there's no more water in the pipe and it's draining.
Okay, and you can speak to everything?
Yes, sir. Correct?
Okay. Okay. I'll talk to you later.
Okay. Sounds good. Thank you.
Thank you.
Okay.
Bye.
What did he say?
He's not coming.
He's not?
Another 20 minutes.
Well, how-
He said 20 minutes last time.
Yeah.
20 minutes. I ain't playing that.
You have to check upstairs too?
No, we got this one draining right here. There could be a good chance that after I show Miguel the footage of this, that you see us back over here running the camera again. That way, because we need to get in, Miguel needs to get us availability to that unit over there.
Not the one upstairs.
Not the one upstairs. That one.
Oh, that's the one.
That one by me.
Well, if there's anything else you can do, you know?
No else I can do right now. What I do know is that drain is open
Okay.
and flowing.
Do you want to come back tomorrow?
That's up to Miguel in the office. I don't know when they can get a hold of those people or when they'll let us in and do all that.
He's got a key. but I don't know
No
if
idea. No idea. That's up to them when they want to schedule it. I don't make arrangements for the apartments. You would have to talk to them. They tell me what to do. That's it.
You just hit that.
So, what I'm going to do right now, just to confirm, is I'm going to go further than that one spot was to see what's going on to the other side. We are clear 21 feet down from your drain. And still, I'm still recording, still no water in the pipe. So I would say that area that we got marked, which is about 11 feet, right there, is your problem area.
So I shot you the water,
Plumber?
Hey Rick, this is Elizabeth at 2707 Stonehenge.
Okay.
So I called and talked to Ron, but Ron wanted me to relay it to you.
Okay.
The neighbor gave permission, and she said she'll have the gate unlocked tomorrow.
Okay.
She said, matter of fact, you can probably still see in her yard where the grass and stuff settled. She said she had to have hers redug and replaced too, but the city said it was her problem.
Oh,
So, if
okay.
you find otherwise, let us know, but that was what the city told her.
Well, that actually, that tap riser looked pretty good. haven't seen anything with that tank first, but I did see.
Plan to ship it.
Yeah, I think that's going to be the case. Yeah. So I think.
Let me know, and Miss Patty will have her gate unlocked.
Cool. Gotcha.
All right.
Yes, ma'am. Thank you.
Thanks so much.
Bye.
Bye-bye.